Good morning and happy new year. I know I have not posted a vlog in so long, but I want to be consistent in 2026. I am about to make this guy right here some breakfast. He stayed the night. I am going out to our garage to actually get some eggs and pancakes in our other refrigerator. So you guys can come with me. It said easy to open, but it ain't. People are going to ask, yes, I am still vegan, but of course my family is not, so I still cook for them. I still cook animal products for them. So, you know, I typically tell people that I'm plant-based, just make my life easier. So yeah, no, I do not eat meat. No, I do not eat eggs. Bruh, get the syrup. We got my Yes, pretty good.
Yeah. Wait, you been out? Oh, I thought that was bacon. But I think not in the bacon.
Go tell Papa to come eat and tell him to, and you wash your hands.
Huh?
Tell Papa to come eat and you wash your hands.
Me and Papa?
Well, Papa, no. I think I'm gonna make me a breakfast sandwich, which is sausage and smoked cheese. That's the way I typically like it. I don't feel like making my own pancakes because I would literally have to make them from scratch, but I'm using this cheese and those sausages. I'm also gonna have some yogurt with pineapple. So I got this yogurt. You guys can see it. I got that yogurt that I'm going to have with pineapple. Later today, I'm going to be making banana nut bread, so pay no attention to those super brown bananas. I also think I'm gonna have water this morning. All right, here's my breakfast: pineapple and yogurt, and then just a sausage and cheese sandwich and alkaline water. So it is much later, and the guy back there, we are headed to my sister's house to look at my garden. I haven't been there in maybe 12 days. I have a garden at my house and I have one at my sister's house, so we're gonna go check that out. So we're stopping at Lowe's first because I forgot to bring my plant food, so I have to buy some more because I live 30 minutes from my sister's house and I'm not going back. So we're at Lowe's, that's close to her, and hopefully they have it out. If they don't, just gonna have to bring it another day. So I am here at my garden. Oops, sorry you guys. So I'm here at my garden in my sister's yard, like at her house. Come to check on it. Oh my God, it all looks so horrible. I'm about to just pull them. Lord, I was hoping did absolutely nothing, obviously. So I'm about to pull all of the mustards, pull all of that lettuce back there, pull, I don't even know what this was, but it's going to get pulled. So yeah, we're going to pull that, cut some of the, I could cry, you guys. Y'all could cry. All these collards. That's what I get for not picking them. Like when I said I was going to pick. I mean, not collards, the mustards. All of these mustards looking a hot mess. But that's my fault for not picking them when I told myself to pick them. So, well, let's go ahead and start picking them.